IQ Marine Biotech. Long-term extensive research and ocean exploration has shown the key to maintaining the balance and stability of marine ecology. Brown seaweed, also known as the praise of the sea, not only provides shelter for marine life, but is a treasure that the ocean presents to mankind. Many historical documents, including the most famous medical book in ancient China, Compendium of Materia Medica, document the many functions of seaweed. At IQ Marine Biotech, brown seaweed has become the core element of our products, Fucoidan. In our commitment to the development of high-quality natural marine health products, extracting Fucoidan from brown seaweed, utilizing advanced and eco-friendly marine biotechnology, we have found three key factors that affect the bioactivity of Fucoidan: algae species, extraction method, and molecular weight. We contracted an eco-friendly natural farm to ensure a high-quality source of brown seaweed. We adhere to the corporate value of environmental sustainability by not exceeding environmental production capabilities. Our seaweed cultivation, harvesting, drying, etc., all meticulously conform to natural procedures to minimize any burden on the local ecosystem. Maintaining the natural essence of nourishment is essential. Every step of the production process is critical. In addition to maintaining a high-quality source of algae, Fucoidan extraction technology is core to IQ product excellence. IQ scientific research team has invested extensive resources in the development of advanced hydrolysis technology to produce Oligo Fucoidan. From a molecular weight of 200,000 daltons to 1,500 daltons, Oligo Fucoidan is extracted without using organic solvent. Heavy metal is removed in the manufacturing process to ensure food safety. Most importantly, low molecular weight Fucoidan exhibits excellent biological activity. Besides cell and animal clinical trials, resources are invested in conducting human clinical trials with academic and medical research units.
我们要做的是具有人体临床实证的天然原料，这是我们一直以来的坚持，也是和一般原料不同的地方。这些年来 ，IQ 开展了超过10项的人体临床研究案，合作单位包括台大医院、北医、高医、长庚以及上海复旦大学中山医院。这些成果获得海内外学界、医界一致肯定。
IQ has received multiple patents and awards and has accumulated more than 50 internationally published scientific articles as a leading brand tested by various institutes. The main research is focused on the role of Oligo Fucoidan as a complementary therapy or nutritional adjunct. In a double-blinded human clinical trial where patients undergoing a normal course of cancer treatment were given high-Q low molecular weight Fucoidan, patients showed an increase in disease control rate up to 92.8%. Scientific results have also confirmed that this component is effective for immunomodulation, anti-inflammation, and blood sugar regulation, and has liver, cardiac, kidney, bone, and other system health benefits. Olifuco and Fucobalan are low molecular weight Fucoidan raw materials for healthcare products that IQ is proud to offer. Having numerous patents and certifications, being suitable for health foods and functional foods, and available in various dosage forms, a variety of products have been developed to meet market trends. IQ goes one step further in developing materials for external use. Our skincare line, FucoSkin. FucoSkin has excellent skin regeneration ability, anti-aging, beauty, and grace, have been extracted from the ocean. Taking advantage of these exclusive low molecular weight fucoidans, HiQ has developed its own brand products: health dietary supplement brand HiQ Health, pet health brand HiQ Pets, beauty care brand HiQ Beauty. HiQ has a professional nutritionist and customer service team to provide accurate health information and support customers with solutions. HiQ combines excellent R&D, business, marketing, and other production capabilities to provide professional and high-quality services